Today, we follow B on her hilarious quest to find a girlfriend. At the airport, she's all set to fly to Barcelona, but there's just one catch: she needs a girlfriend to sit beside her on the plane. Let's see how she handles this unique situation with a little creativity and a lot of charm. Find my girlfriend.
Find my girlfriend.
B is at the airport. B is at the airport. She talks to the man at the desk. She talks to the man at the desk.
Hello, can I help you? Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm going to Barcelona. Yes, I'm going to Barcelona. I want to sit next to my girlfriend on the plane. I want to sit next to my girlfriend on the plane.
Okay, we have 2 seats together. Okay, we have 2 seats together. Okay, we have 2 seats together.
Great. Great.
Where is your girlfriend? Where is your girlfriend?
I don't know. Can you help me find her? I don't know. Can you help me find her?
What does she look like? What does she look like?
She is tall. She has dark hair. She is tall. She has dark hair.
Okay. Okay.
She loves sports and cooking. She loves sports and cooking. She loves animals, but she drives too fast. She loves animals, but she drives too fast.
Okay. What is her name? Okay. What is her name? Okay. What is her name?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know.
You don't know your girlfriend's name? You don't know your girlfriend's name?
I don't have a girlfriend yet. I don't have a girlfriend yet. Can you help me find one? Can you help me find one?
In the end, B may not have found a girlfriend at the airport, but she definitely won a few laughs and left a memorable impression. Sometimes, a little humor and a positive outlook make all the difference. Who knows? Maybe her real adventure is just beginning.